After exercise 21A, our next topic is mean, that is arithmetic mean or average. So, what do you mean by mean? So, mean equals to what? Sum of all observations divide number of observations. For example, if you are having 30, 25, 15, 45, and now we want to calculate mean of this given data. So sum of all observation means 15 plus 25 plus 30 plus 45 upon 4. So add this 15 plus 25 plus 30 plus 45 divided by 4. Why 4? Because we are having 4 values here. Now you can add this and simply 40, 30, 70, then 115 divided by 4. This is your required mean. Okay, so like this you have to find mean. Then some important properties of mean we are having, and these properties I will explain you in exercise directly, because on the exercise we are having question. Then next is median. Now median is the value which lies in the middle of the arranged data. Arranged means either in ascending or descending, with the half of the observation below it and the other half above it. In other words, median of a group of observations is the value of arrayed data which divides the group into two equal parts. For example, 10, 18, 12, 6, 11, 4, 3. So as you can see, we are having some digits here. These digits are not arranged in ascending or descending. So this is raw data. Now we will arrange this first. To find median of any observation, step number 1 is arrange the data. So we are arranging this data in ascending order. So the smallest number is 3, then 4, then 6, then 11, then 10, 11, 12, 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means all the values we have written here. Then as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits we are having here, so n equals to 7. And 7 is a odd number. 7 is a odd number. So whenever you are having odd number, formula for median will be equals to n plus 1 upon 2 term. So n plus 1, value of n 7. So 7 plus 1 upon 2th term. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 term. So 8 by 2, 4th term. And 4th term is 10. So your median is 10. Okay. तो ये मीडियन जो 10 आया, आप देख सकते हैं मीडियन के जस्ट पहले 3 वैल्यूज़ हैं, मीडियन के बाद भी 3 वैल्यूज़ हैं. तो मीडियन क्या करता है? डिवाइड कर देता है पर्टिकुलर डाटा को. ओके. नाउ this is about odd term. This is odd formula for the median. When we are having even terms, then what is the formula? For example, one more digit we are having here, and that is 19. That is 19. So simply again we will arrange the data in ascending order. So this is our arranged data. Now as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, n equals to 8, and 8 is even. 8 is what? Even. So whenever you are having even terms, so the formula for median equals to 1 by 2 into, or you can write n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term whole upon 2. Now value of n is 8 here, so 8 upon 2 term plus n by 2 means 8 by 2 plus 1 term, then whole upon 2. 8 by 2 means what? 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, so fourth term plus 2 1 ja, 2 fourth ja, sorry 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, then 4 plus 1 5, so fifth term. Okay, divide by 2. Now from the observation, simply we have to find which is our fourth and fifth term. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5, this is our fourth term and this one is our fifth term, 10 and 11. So we will write 10 plus 11 divided by 2. So 10 plus 11, 21 divided by 2. So 10.5 is your required median for this question. So like this we have to find median. Okay.